Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be a very juicy video. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So today guys, I'm gonna be styling my hair. I'm gonna be putting on this wig.
I'm not the type's gotta have someone. I'm not the type's gotta be in love. I had a lot of people come and go, and plus anyway, I'm used to being solo. But it was good when you came to me. You were the one to make me believe that life could be better, that we could get by together. Come sit down. Let's celebrate this love we found, 'cause we know this is real. I'm about to let you know, I gotta let you know that can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile. You like.
So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig because I would like to cut out the spare lace first of all. After cutting out the spare lace, then I'll be using my got to be glue fish spray, because that's the only thing I'll be using. I'm not gonna put on the sucking scarf or use what's it called, the gel. I'm not in the mood for that today, so I just want a simple, easy, quick way to put on a lace frontal wig, and that's what I'm gonna show you guys in this video.
I'm not the type's gotta have someone. I'm not the type's gotta be in love. I had a lot of people come and go, and plus anyway, I'm used to being solo. But it was good when you came to me. You were the one to make me believe that life could be better, that we can get by together. Come sit down. Let's celebrate this love we found, 'cause we know this is real. I'm about to let you know, I gotta let you know that can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take you anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Get your clothes and let's take a drive. Tree ups coming back in style.
So right here, I'm gonna spray my got to be glue gel.
There ain't nothing going wrong, really. So good when you came my way. You keep it popping almost every day. Life can't be better as long as we stay together. Come sit down. Celebrate this love, baby. What we found, we know this is real. Everybody's looking at me. Can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. Make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take you anywhere you wanna go. You make me laugh. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. We be eating hamburgers and fries. We be up watching movies all night. We ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money. Yeah. We be eating ice cream and cake. We going through life like it's our birthday. Riding on 22s. We saving our money. I'm saving our money. Oh, can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. Make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going. I can take you anywhere. I can take you anywhere. So call me back. They know you and me now. We about to go up. We about to go one. They know you like my family. They know you better be at this party. They know my family. Come on, I can take you anywhere. So come by. They know you and me. So baby, won't you come? Can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. Make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take you anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh. You like good food. You're from that place. place. You're from my place.
So guys, you guys can see this is what the hair looks like. It's really beautiful. I absolutely love the way I styled this wig. Like I said, all the hair specs and everything about this wig will be in the description box below, and that's what it's gonna be for now. So please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy videos like this. If you do, please don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.
Yeah. And the girls no Gucci, Prada, Louis, Louis, suit. Came to drip in about me, bomb me. You came to test the about one to me. Can't control me, can't control me. I'm angry, can't console me. Can't control me, can't control me. I'm very angry, you can't console me. I like Cory,